Hi, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk Sephora sale, which you don't need anything. Nobody needs nothing from Sephora. I'm telling you, like nobody, we're good. We have what we need. But if you're like me, it's just never fucking enough. And I'm product obsessed. So like, I know I have a problem, okay? Like I know, it's fine. I'm just looking for all my friends who also have a problem so that we can have the problem together and yap about it. All right, 14 items are in my cart, like RIP to my bank account. And also don't tell my husband. Oh my gosh, it says one or more items is now out of stock. No. What is it? What is it? It's just like samples, so it's fine. All right, let's go through my cart. It is so lengthy. You see? Yes. Okay, this is gonna be fun, guys, okay? I promise. I'm gonna start with restocks, which we have the Hourglass Vanish Concealer. I absolutely love that. It's such a great concealer. It makes my face look flawless. I have it on today. I absolutely love it. The Bobbi Brown face base, because your girl loves that before doing her makeup. It's so good. The Caudalie Vino Perfect Brightening Dark Spot Serum. Obsessed. Like literally it smells so fucking good. It's like a morning scent that I have to have now, and nothing can replace it because I've tried. I need the whole shebang. And my last restock is the Huda Beauty Lip Contour like lip pencil in the shade Muted Pink, because it is so lovely. I love it. And I also really love how they like glide on the lips. It's so nice. Okay, now getting into things that I have not tried and really want to test, and figured I should get them during the sale. The Westman Atelier Lip Suede Hydrating Matte Lipstick in the shade Peak. So I have the shade Revere. Is it Je Revere something? I don't know. It's just like a little bit too warm for me. So I'm passing that off. I just collected like a big 2 boxes full of stuff that I'm just like about to give away. And that lipstick made it into that box just because this Peak color, I'm gonna tag it here, it's like a little bit more cool toned, and that's what I fuck with. Next up is the Gucci Glow Multi-Use Illuminating Gel Powder Highlighter. This looks so fun to use, and I swatched it in store and it was absolutely stunning, and I love the frosted lilac color. I think it'll be really fun for spring, and also like you can use it for eyes and stuff like that. And obviously Gucci, the packaging is stunning. It's like elite. Is the Orbe Dry Texturizing Spray. I did get like a little mini bottle of this and loved it so much, so I was like, let me get the big bottle and see how long it lasts me, because it is $52, which is super fucking pricey, and I don't know if I can keep that up. So I'm gonna see if I can make it last like a little bit longer for me. Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Treatment Spray for Frizzy Hair. I really want this. I have it in like a, not a sample, but like a small size that I got at Ulta, and yeah, I need it. I feel like it does give me like the volume that I want when I'm using my like round brush blow dryer, and I really like that it gives my hair a little bit of texture, because your girl has really thin fine hair and I need all the texture I can get. Next, Milk Makeup Hydro Grip 12-Hour Hydrating Gel Skin Tint. I've heard so many good things about this. Like I immediately need it. I need it so fast. Like I don't know why I haven't gotten it in PR. Milk, what the fuck? But I need it, and we're getting it, and I'll let you know how it is. Tower 28 Microwaves Lengthening Volume Mascara in Brown, which is the shade Drift. I already know that I love this mascara. I love that it's only $20, but I've only tried it in black, so we're getting it in brown, which is what I prefer. Huda Beauty Faux Filler Non-Shiny Lipstick Lip Gloss in the color Sugar Baby. If you've tried this, let me know how you like it, because everybody's lips that I see it on looks like I want to kiss them. Like I want to kiss them. That's it. We're done. All done. All done. That is what is in my Sephora cart. Wait, let me tell you my total, because I want to croak. $517. And that is, I actually took some things out. What did I take out? Yeah, I took a couple things out. Oh, the Kiehl's Hydrating Eye Cream Treatment and the Kiehl's Moisturizer. I took out both of those things. Yeah, so with the 20% off, it's going to make it like $400, which is usually my budget for the sale. I don't let myself go over that. And then I'm just going to Klarna that shit because I would rather pay $100 every 2 weeks than pay $400 at once. Think smart. All right, that is it. Thanks for being here. Say nice things to yourself. Say nice things to your kids. Mwah! Hope you have the best day, and like, share, subscribe, all the things. I don't know what's happening with the light, so I'm sorry. Okay. Mwah!